Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SQL queries with MySQL, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the common issues that can arise in SQL queries. Common issues include syntax errors, improper use of keywords, and incorrect table or column names. Begin with a simple query, like selecting data from a single table. For example, use the basic syntax, select asterisk from table_name, make sure to replace table_name with the actual name of the table you want to query. If you encounter an error, check for typos in the table name or any keywords used. Next, if you want to filter results, add a where clause. For instance, use select asterisk from table_name where column_name equals value, ensure the column name is spelled correctly and the value matches the data type. If you wish to join multiple tables, use the join clause effectively. Start with an inner join, which returns records with matching values in both tables. For example, select a.column_name, b.column_name from table 1 a inner join table 2 b on a.common_field equals b.common_field. Make sure the common field exists in both tables. To group results, utilize the group by clause. An example query would be select column_name, count, asterisk, from table_name group by column_name, double check that you group by the correct columns to avoid errors. If you need to sort the results, use the order by clause. You can add it like this, select asterisk from table_name order by column_name ASC, replace ASC with desk if you want to sort in descending order. Always test your query after making changes to ensure it runs correctly. If errors persist, refer to the error message for specific details on what might be wrong. Review MySQL documentation for a deeper understanding of SQL functions and capabilities. Practice creating queries with different conditions and clauses to become more comfortable. Finally, don't hesitate to use online forums or communities for additional support. Improving your SQL skills takes practice, so keep experimenting with different queries. With consistent effort, you will become proficient in fixing SQL queries with MySQL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.